Today we're showing you a 2016 Kubota L6060 tractor. Tractor has a LA1055 quick attach front loader, also has cab with heat and air conditioning. It's a very nice clean tractor, has just over 200 hours on it. These tractors are rated at I believe 60 or 61 horsepower. Take a look at the listing there for the exact rating. Super maneuverable little tractors with quite a bit of horsepower. They do have the skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. Front grille guards here. A slight dent here in the front grille, but very minor. Also has a very minor dent on top of the hood. Don't know if you can even see it in the video there, but very minor dent. A couple small scuffs on top of the loader. But overall, a very clean, very nice tractor. Has the mirrors on the cab, work lights up front there. R4 tires, which are practically new. Still see the barcode on the tread. Hydrostatic transmission. Some surface scratches in the fender here, but again, very minor. Warning lights back here. 3-point hitch with this telescopic arms. Top link and stabilizer bars are all there. Show you the inside of the cab. Does have the suspension seat here for the operator. 3-range hydrostatic transmission. You got your pedal for forward and back over there, and then it also has the power high-low, which can be shifted on the fly. Very nice feature there if you need to speed up or slow down while using the tractor. Have the loader control, 3-point and a PTO engagement all over there to the right. Up top you have climate controls, radio. Just a very nice, very clean little tractor. We do take trades as well as offer trucking and financing. We can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. and can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. We have approximately 120 to 150 used tractors on our yard. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors, or would like to see our current inventory, please visit us at masttractor.com.